Welcome to Business Reporter's Future of IoT campaign. I'm Alistair Greener. Covid-19 and its after effects have dealt a body blow to the global economy. In the first half of 2020, the UK's GDP fell by over 10%, while the US and the EU reported a fall of 10% and 14% respectively. Investment growth has stalled. Lending has frozen and many companies have switched to survival mode. In the present context, optimistic talk about leaps of innovation sounds naive. Or does it? Our guest today will remind us that crises have always been catalysts of innovation and that the Covid-19 pandemic is no different. Today we're talking to Jash Bansidar, Managing Director of Advantech Europe. Good morning, Jash.
Morning, Alistair. Good to see you again.
I'd like to start off by talking about the world economy, which has suffered severely from the effects of Covid-19. How has the pandemic impacted on innovation?
You know, Alistair, normally you would think that a slow economy would lead to slow innovation. But I saw during the pandemic the contrary happen. Although some project implementation were delayed, new IoT innovations were quickly launched to fight against the pandemic. For example, we know the health dashboards and the COVID apps that we are using today. And also many companies, they use this period to optimize their organization. Just like Advantech, for example, we launched new innovative products that are helping this innovation to be implemented, like artificial intelligence platform, 5G devices, and edge solutions. So basically, we strengthened during this period our leadership position in industrial IoT computing and devices. And with this, we have prepared for the expected economical rebound in 2021.
Can you give us a few examples of specific technologies where big advancements were made during the pandemic?
If we look to the typical technologies that are helping innovations happening in industry, those are 5G, analytics, and machine learning and artificial intelligence. For example, 5G, we've seen in the past few months that telco companies implemented and rolled out the 5G networks very fast, simply because people needed faster connectivity, digital collaboration, as I mentioned, but also industries pushed for a faster implementation of robotization, where 5G is a crucial technology to have. Analytics has proved to be a powerful strategy against competition to make organizations faster, smarter, leaner. So the innovations will accelerate here too. I've mentioned the health dashboards earlier. It helps governments and businesses to make decisions and protect their citizens and employees. Last but not least, AI and machine learning. These are great technologies to help organizations to increase their insights. It is empowered by chip makers like NVIDIA and Intel by using GPUs and CPUs to boost training, learnings from data.
How do all of these technologies come together to enable quick recovery and growth in industry post-COVID? Can you give us a few examples?
Together with one of our co-creation partners in the Netherlands called RoboVision, we have launched a no-code software platform allowing users to harness the power of artificial intelligence by using computer vision technology. With this solution, manufacturers, for example, can detect and classify defects in real time. They can automate processes that previously relied on human action and improve safety and productivity of their operations. Another example is with our partner, Brain Creators. They have built together with us an intelligent automation platform for visual asset inspection and monitoring. With this solution, you can quickly identify physical assets, you can check their status against the norm, and initiate immediate action when required. It helps manufacturers to prevent also that proprietary domain knowledge, which is captured in the heads of process operators, are being lost when they retire. So to bring those knowledge in artificial intelligence algorithms is helping to encapsulate that and sustain for the future.
What role does Advantech play in developing and deploying these technologies?
Yeah, sure, Alistair. I talked in my previous interviews also about the co-creation strategy of Advantech. This strategy is helping to bring all these technologies together with the co-creation partner. It results in so-called solution-ready packages. You know, the partnership thinking is part of Advantech's DNA. Since we established the company 37 years ago, we have worked with partnerships across the globe to expand our business. We know that partnerships are one of the most critical elements in the co-creation of exponential business growth. With this co-creation partnering, we can build solution-ready packages and deploy these quickly and very easy in the industry. They only need the user configuration to create a proof of concept installation. It means that users can deploy IoT technology faster than ever before, creating immediate value and a quick return on investment.
Well, it was great talking to you. Thanks very much indeed. Jashban Sadar from Advantech, thank you.
Thank you, Alistair. It was a pleasure to talk to you again.